Have you just deleted all of your files and you don't know what to do next? Well, today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted files on Windows using Disk Drill 6. When you delete your files, it appears as though they're completely gone. However, all of your files are likely still there, and as long as they aren't overwritten, there's a very simple process we can use to recover deleted files on Windows, regardless of if they are from your camera, a USB flash drive, SD card, external hard drive, etc. I'm Andrew with the Clever Files team, and I'm going to walk you through this process step by step so that you can recover deleted files even if you have no experience. So let's get started. So to get started, we need to download Disk Drill from the official website, which will be linked in the description below. Click the free download button, which will take you to the downloads page. Now, when downloading, it's important to download the correct build of Disk Drill for your version of Windows. Disk Drill 6, which is what I'm using today, is compatible with Windows 10 and 11. However, if you're using an earlier version of Windows, the corresponding build of Disk Drill can be downloaded from these links here. Now, with the download complete, navigate to the Downloads section within your browser and double-click the program, which will launch the installer. And before we actually install it, we do have the option to change our installation path. Now, I would only really recommend doing this if you're recovering files from your C drive specifically, as installing Disk Drill to your system drive could risk overwriting the files. However, for a vast majority of cases where you're recovering from an SD card, a USB flash drive, external hard drive, etc., the default installation path is just fine. Now, once the installation process is finished, a Disk Drill icon will be added to your desktop. Go ahead and double-click it, which will open it up and allow Windows to make changes with the dialog box that appears. Also, when you open Disk Drill for the first time, be sure to allow the Windows security prompt as well. Both of these options are totally safe. Now, with Disk Drill open, you'll be greeted by the recovery panel, which contains the disk list, a list of all available drives connected to your PC. So if you have a device that you want to scan, such as an external hard drive, an SD card, or a USB flash drive, and you haven't connected it already, please do so now. So let's start a recovery. First, find the device that contains the lost files. If you only know the drive, you can select the entire thing. But if you do know the precise location, such as an individual partition, you can select that instead, as this can cut down scanning time. Now, once you've selected your drive from the list, head over to the right and hit search for lost data. And depending on the storage device, Disk Drill will give you an option for universal scan or advanced camera recovery. For most cases, universal scan is the best way to recover deleted files on Windows. But if you're recovering photos and videos, or universal scan just didn't yield good results, choose advanced camera recovery for a deeper look at camera media. Now, as Disk Drill scans your drive, you'll begin to see files populate on the screen as colored categories. These can be browsed in real time while the scan is going, which is a great way to take inventory of progress and potentially reduce scan time. Now, once the scan is finished, we can see a complete overview of everything that was found during the scan. We can also review all of the files by clicking this button in the top right. Now, here you can review all of the files that were found on your drive. And you can navigate through them by using the different tools and options available in the top toolbar. Tools such as displaying the files in either a list or an icon view, and also sorting the files by type, size, date modified, or even by recovery chances. Also, as you're looking through the files, you can preview files such as photos, videos, and documents right inside the software. Simply select the file you want to preview, expand the preview window, and this will give you an exact real-time preview of that file, which is a feature of the free version of Disk Drill to verify your file's recoverability before upgrading to the Pro version. Now, once we've identified the files we want to recover, you have a couple options. We can either recover all the files at once by placing a check mark next to the folder that contains them, or we can recover individual files by placing a check mark next to the individuals of your choice. Now, something quick to mention here also is that the free Windows version of Disk Drill allows you to recover up to 100 megabytes of files. Now, this is typically enough for a handful of photos or some important documents, but it also allows you to be sure that Disk Drill is going to be able to recover everything else that you need as well. So it's a pretty nice feature. Now, once you've made your selection, hit the recover button in the bottom right and choose your preferred save location. Now, when choosing a save location, ensure that you are not recovering to the same drive you're trying to recover from, as this will prevent overwriting. And finally hit next, and this will export all of your recovered files to your chosen save location. And you're done. And after this, you can review all the files that you just recovered as if they'd never left. And that's it. Very simple and pretty easy too. That's going to be all for today's video, but if you have any other issues or questions, feel free to reach out to us anytime at help@cleverfiles.com.